Hello everyone, my name is Marcenyembo. I'm a current BI student. In this video we are going to talk about how to destroy and to rebuild the database service in the randa.com and how to create also a new connection between the remote database which is located on Randa and the local tools such as SQLTools and pgAdmin. First of all, I will show you how to destroy or to drop an available database, and if we scroll down we will see there is a delete database button. Okay, I will just click on delete database button and there is a prompt that will require me to enter this comment. I will make a copy and paste of this comment here and write the delete database to confirm the dropping of the database. Haskell process will take too longer to remove or to drop the service. Let's try again. Okay, the current database is now dropped in our workplace, and we'll now start to create a new one. There is just a new button here in the high right side. I will click on the new button and I will choose Postgres, which will display a form with inputs we need now to provide information. We'll provide the name of our instance. It will be CSC 3.4 DB. Okay, I will select the environment, production, database, which is optional, the user, optional tool, the region. I will let just the region and I will pick the free option here. And I will run create. I just provide information about the user, okay, and even the database. This will be random generated. I'll just click create database. Need the database name, the username, and the external database URL for creating a remote connection. And to perform that, I will go here in pgAdmin, and this is the previous connection that we need first to disconnect from the server and delete it. Okay, and now we can remove this one and create a new one. Okay, I will right click on server. After that I will choose register and server. This will display a form where we need to provide the name of the connection. I will write here Randa. I will switch on the connection tab, where we need also to provide the host name, and this information of the host name I will pick it here, external database. I will make a copy of that and paste it here. I need to remove a couple of information from the hashtag to the beginning here. I will remove that. I will make also a copy of, I will also remove that and remove the slash. I will keep the port and just provide the database name here and the username, which is 100. If you're not sure, you just pick the username here and make finally the copy of the password. And require. Okay, we choose the require option and save. This may okay, and we are in the local environment, but we could perform to the remote database, which is a store in a platform. And I scroll down. I will see many. This is my database name. And we go down, see open information available, and I will locate for the schema. Under the schema, we'll find tables, and as we didn't create anything, the tables tab will not contain information. It will be empty. Okay, because we don't create a table here, and we need if we want to perform a specific information. Use query tools. This will open a tab or window where we will write our SQL statements for creating tables, dropping tables, adding data, updating data. Already a couple queries on the hand here. There are queries. This is just to add and over this file. And now we could see the account and inventory that are available in each kind of each table to and all rows.